जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल
अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला डेंग डेंग डेंग
लूज कंट्रोल लूज
द थिंग इज मेरा बहती आवाज सा दावा था बट इतने दो एनर्जेटिक गानों के बाद अचानक से बहती आवाज सा would have sounded so slow.
Oh,
dude.
I thought like I was hoping one of us would at least go Su कर मेरे मन
हाँ,
को
हमने सोचा था
किया
but-
तूने क्या इशारा. Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antrish Thakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Mohammed.
and today we are talking about the greatest and or the worst films.
Utri
Uttri films
One
of the
category
great
could
Amir
be
Khan.
Utri.
ये कैसे बना दिया? अरे
उतरी ये कैसे बना दिया? Like all his categories could be कि उतरी बहुत बढ़िया बन गई, उतरी बहुत खराब बन गई.
हाँ. नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
The best thing recently that I've seen Amir in though is of course the Sitare Zameen Par trailer, which we will talk about. But
Is it like
the best thing, no, better than that is the Ranbir and Amir ad of Dream 11.
Dream 11.
This is bloody epic.
Yeah. Epic.
That is the character of Amir I want to see him in films, which you don't get to see. The
Which
more
I-
playful type.
I think अभी जो सितारे ज़मीन पर का ट्रेलर है, I
ये
think
लग
that
रहा है
is
ऐसा.
what he's going for.
That could be it.
Sort of, yeah.
You think Amir does this? Man, I'm just realizing maybe he
Does
does this, right? He does this by design, where if he is, preparing for a certain kind of role or certain vibe of role, the ads during that time when he does it in or around, based around that character. So when the movie comes out, that character is like, oh wow, this is there.
Dream 11 में भी तो ऐसा ही लग रहा था ये.
That was also dreamy. This is also dreamy.
No, because
Yeah.
when Raja Hindustani came out, he was still doing ads as his character from Gulam.
Oh, was it?
Thanda matlab Coca-Cola, yeah.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, but he must have
Gulam
shot.
और
उसने
रंगीला.
अभी start किया
He
हुआ
must have shot all those ads and then rolling out में takes
I
time.
didn't see him in any ad as Lal Singh Chaddha.
Good. It is good.
Uh,
It is good.
any ad that Amir is dumb in.
But so अब पहले topic तो बता दो हम क्या किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Amir Khan, we're talking about the greatest and the
You
worst
didn't
films of Amir
mention
Khan.
Amir Khan. You didn't mention tier
I-
list. कुछ तो बता दे.
I said kind of. अरे guys, see, it's वैसे तो आसान ही है, ठीक है? हमने कुछ tier list बनाई है. You know the popular tier format of episode that you see in a lot of podcasts, a lot of shows. We have also decided to do a version of it for the for Amir Khan's filmography.
Amir
Last 20 years of
20
Amir's
years.
movies.
Yeah, last 20 years of Amir Khan's movies. We're gonna do a tier list of that.
We should make a distinction. We are taking movies where he's playing the lead. So
Yes, of
films
course.
Yeah,
like
sure.
Delhi Belly
And
or Secret
Secret
Superstar,
Superstar, they don't
or
count.
even Lapata Ladies, जिसमें वो नहीं था, but he's produced it, or Dhobi Ghat are not
Or
in
the way out. Yeah,
consideration.
sure.
But he did audition for the Ravi Kishan.
Ravi
role.
Kishan
Yeah.
role, yeah.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have.
But
So-
okay.
Yeah, fair enough. But so that's what we're talking about on this episode.
Yes.
Yeah,
Big
but-
episode, the
but
biggest
before
episode.
that, we'll talk about the trailer for Sitare Zameen Par.
Yeah.
And we'll give our predictions how we think.
Sitare Zameen, yeah,
very,
would
very
fare.
first thoughts of how we think the film will do.
Okay, we can actually do that. I also one more thing I want to talk about now. I feel like we, the three of us on this show, and whoever else joins us on the show also, we give a lot of bhav to Bhai and Shah Rukh.
True.
Somehow I feel we don't give
Amir's a
justice to Amir.
Amir is a private guy. He doesn't do much.
So we're not the problem. Amir is the problem.
Amir is the problem.
Amir,
Yeah,
Amir, you're the
clearly.
problem. Please come on this episode. On the show.
Like Bhai, he's Bhai. Like he's always in the news for something or the other.
Yeah,
SRK,
right?
like whatever he does is eventful.
Yeah. Amir only if it's
Pretty
attached to
private.
something good.
Yeah.
Where we talk about Dream 11.
Like if Amir goes to Met Gala.
Haan.
Oh,
That would be crazy.
You think he would wear a better costume than dress? क्या बोलते हैं?
Outfit.
Outfit. than
costume.
Shah Rukh.
Or क्या? Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know what Amir would wear.
Amir
So
would-
when Amir went for the Oscars for Lagan, him and Ashutosh Gowarkar wore sherwanis for the red carpet.
Wow,
You
so
think they
new.
ask Amir also? Can you introduce yourself?
So
Oh,
apparently-
my name
I'll-
is.
I'll tell
I am a
you.
legend.
I'll tell you. So apparently that's a tradition at Met Gala.
You have to ask everyone.
Yeah, you ask everyone who are you,
And what are you wearing?
Oh,
and,
Acha.
and that's how they start their
I'm
introduction.
pretty
Who
sure
are you
if-
and what are you wearing?
If Taylor
What a-
Swift comes, nobody's gonna ask her.
Oh
who are
no,
you,
like
bro.
that's the format.
Yeah, that
introduce
makes sense
yourself and
actually.
who are you?
That makes sense.
That's
because
the format.
it actually makes sense because there must be people from all over the world and no one person can know
Yeah.
everyone. Anyway, the safest way to go about it is who are you and what the fuck are you
Yeah,
wearing?
that's the format.
And
So,
why also
because,
is the question.
Because once
Why are
this
you wearing
like
that?
Shah Rukh clip went viral, no, कि वो Shah Rukh was asked who Shah Rukh is basically. तो और भी videos viral हुए थे where like
People asking
people
other people,
are
yeah.
being asked that introduce yourself and they go like, oh, hi, I'm Zendaya and you know I act. Basically.
Yeah, that's all I do. Yes, correct.
Great Zendaya
And, yeah.
impression. Yeah, nice.
I
And,
act.
and then sometimes I'm Tom Holland's girlfriend also. You know, in Spider-Man. You know.
Tom Holland is my boyfriend.
Yeah, true. Correct.
Here's my side piece. Tom Holland. Time Holland. It's okay. Anyway, coming back to Amir Khan, Met Gala mein he would wear salwar kameez. Okay, let's go.
जो वो usually पहनता है pap appearances
correct,
पे
yeah.
धोती शॉर्ट कुर्ता चप्पल
No.
with chashma and same hair.
Yeah.
But he's been making quite a few appearances off late. He was at Waves.
Yeah.
He was for his
But
birthday.
Waves to
for his
sabhi
birthday,
hai.
he did that Javed Akhtar one-on-one
Interview. But that
Oh, that was his birthday, or?
That was his birthday.
That was
Oh,
the Amir Khan
okay.
Film Festival also, no?
That also, Andaz Apna Apna also re-released
Yeah.
recently. So I think that it's a conscious decision to build up.
So
to
also what happens,
the
right, in
trailer.
this world, when someone has a hot take,
This
he's
world.
invited everywhere to repeat that hot take everywhere.
That is also
That's
true.
the
but-
Waves thing.
Yeah, but he doesn't have a hot take. What he's saying is actually makes sense.
Yeah, but I think this take, people have been saying
the
that
take being that
Yeah.
tickets should be
OTTs, yeah.
cheaper. OTT should not get movies so soon.
so soon, exactly. There should be like a bigger window between
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
theatrical release
Kill
and
OTT, bro.
OTT release. भाई तेरे को काम बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए तेरे को काम
तो
चाहिए
तीन चार पहले एपिसोड पहले 4 फिल्में तूने नेटफ्लिक्स को पिच करी डार्क कॉमेडी
अरे
यार
सीरियल
नहीं
किलर
मतलब like I am angry at Amazon Prime
Amazon
basically
Prime, yeah,
because of the
because-
email that all of us subscribers or like
Yeah.
premium paid whatever we are
Hey man, but I don't check my email.
कि भाई
So I still
ऐसा-
have Amazon.
also
तुम
you
1500
pirate movies anyway
हाँ तुम
Yeah,
1500
piracy is
रुपए
the best. I'm talking about
Mummy
Pirates
or
of the
Everest.
Caribbean and all. Pirates of the Caribbean, Jack Sparrow.
sorry
Pretty good.
बट ठीक है मतलब वही यार बेसिकली आई वाज वेरी एंग्री एट द फैक्ट व्हेन आई रेड द ईमेल कि भाई अब तुम 1500 रुपए देने के बाद अब हम ऐड भी डाल देंगे बीच में एंड देन उन्होंने ईमेल में लिखा है बट डोंट वरी टीवी जितना खराब नहीं होगा अरे क्या बात गधा है क्या
ऐसे बोला ये बोला उसने
we'll try our best to make the interruptions minimal ऐसा
Yeah.
What the
हाँ
fuck,
भाई
dude?
मतलब जैसे तुम क्या भाई कुछ भी मत छोड़ भाई नेटफ्लिक्स की
Yeah, bizarre.
so सितारे
सितारे
ज़मीं
ज़मीं
पर
पर,
ट्रेलर
So
We saw it.
I'll go first. I
Yes.
think so. Like before people comment, it's a copy, it's a remake, it's a that. हमने देख लिया है. 2018 में आई थी कैंपियोनेस अब जो भी उसको स्पेनिश में बोलते हैं फिर 2000
नहीं, वो
फिर
French हो
फिर
जाएगा।
वुडी हैरिसन की मूवी आई थी
हाँ
मैं
फिर
ले
2023
Campiones
में
Champions.
चैंपियंस भी आई है उसका आई थिंक ऑफिशियल रीमेक है बिकॉज क्लियरली फ्रेम टू फ्रेम अगर ट्रेलर सेम है तो आई थिंक ऑफिशियल
I think
रीमेक ये होगा
Wikipedia
हाँ.
page पे भी it's mentioned that it's an official remake.
या सो इट इज दैट आप
Just last time Amir did an official remake, it wasn't very successful.
Yeah,
but
भाई उठाई भी तो फिर फॉरेस्ट गम थी ना भाई
हाँ,
ने।
exactly.
Yeah,
It was a very
everyone,
iconic
yeah,
film.
सबसे आइकॉनिक फिल्म कौन सी है फॉरेस्ट गम हाँ उसको मैं बनाता हूँ और मैं उसमें एक्सेंट पकड़ता हूँ
चलो।
खराब
नाइस हम लोग पल्प फिक्शन बनाते हैं भाई मजा आएगा पल्प फिक्शन ग्रेटेस्ट मूवी आमिर खान
but so one thing that I would like you know give big ups to with this project is ki where everybody is going for like hyper
Agree.
films like
Action.
Yeah.
action
Yeah.
this that larger than ye wo वगैरह he actually chose to give us like a slice of life and that also
Family entertainment.
family entertainer और वो भी after so many years
Yeah.
I think we were जब हम लोग टॉपिक भी डिसाइड कर रहे थे क्या आखिरी पिक्चर जो उसका चला एक्चुअल में दंगल दैट वाज 2017
Yeah, 16 I think.
16
Yeah.
9 साल हो गए हैं उसको कोई एक क्लियर कट हिट दिए हुए
करेक्ट
जो क्रिटिकली भी अप्रिशिएट हुई और पैसा भी कमाया और बीच में
Correct.
आए थग्स और लाल सिंह आफ्टर 2 bombs he is still ready to experiment of sorts.
Really? This is not experimentation. Can I give my take?
yeah sure go ahead
So, my thoughts about the trailer, it seems like a mishmash of Tare Zameen Par, Dangal, Chak De India, and Three Idiots. It's like Amir went back And
Oh, my greatest hits.
because consciously, at least I saw 2 to 3 shots of iconic Delhi
Locations.
historic.
Oh, okay.
What did you say?
Locations.
हाँ, locations, yeah. जो चक दे इंडिया में भी बहुत ये है to establish its Dilliness.
Okay.
They showed Delhi a lot, and it has a very classic Hirani feel. It's gonna be a feel-good film. It's gonna be. It'll set you home.
Yes,
Right?
I
Yeah,
completely
so
felt
and-
that. Yeah.
But again,
And
this is
we
not
already know it's about kids who are dealing with intellectual disabilities, physical disabilities. पर फिल्म देख के पता चल रहा है कि एंड में इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ फील गुड वार्म हार्टेड फिल्म.
यार again you never know. See the thing, I'll tell you why, because वो आपने वो देखी है छिछोरे.
हाँ,
छिछोरे में everybody was expecting कि end में you know like again
इट विल बी अ फील गुड
Yeah.
एंडिंग. हाँ,
but then उसमें भी उसने एक ऐसा एंगल निकला कि जिसमें he like the film basically makes you celebrate your losses as well.
श्योर,
Right.
Yeah.
So again I don't know, हो सकता है आमिर ने कुछ मसाला डाला हो इसके अंदर चेंज करने के लिए.
But what I'm trying to say is this seems a very calculated effort to take the best things of Amir that have worked before, plus in a sports movie formula and present.
Sure, but
And that said, I also think it will be a big hit.
that's what I'm saying कि I think कि when I say risk, I mean कि considering the climate that we are in right now, because none of the feel good sort of films are coming. B जो भी आ रही हैं वो like they are not performing like really well on
Right,
box office.
right.
So I think Amir Khan coming back after so many years, and that too with like again he himself has been so vocal about the OTT
Yeah.
thing that has been like affecting theaters apparently. ठीक है, तो I think like Amir could have come with like something as big budget as Thugs maybe,
That's true. Yeah.
right?
But Thugs already didn't work when it
No,
came
no,
out.
but like so Thugs didn't work for a lot of reasons.
Yeah.
Budget and Starcast was not one of them.
Hmm.
Like
Right,
budget could have been
right.
one of them, but like
Starcast
Starcast was
definitely
not,
one of them.
definitely was not one of them.
Right.
So I think he could have still like gone like corrected those mistakes and maybe come back with like again a larger than life big
But
drama.
even in this, the only star is Amir. Opposite him is Genelia, who's not.
That's what I'm saying, that it is a risk.
It is. So let me give my thoughts.
Sure.
तो हाँ, बहुत देर से चुप कर.
I was like, just कब चुप होंगे ये सारे. So I firstly I watched the trailer and I got out of the trailer with a smile.
Right.
Fair, I agree. Yes.
Right? Because immediately you know it's a feel good movie. It has that Raju Hirani
Yeah,
feel
for
to
sure.
the
Even
trailer
the
also.
Font and color scheme.
Correct.
Bro,
Exactly
that's
right.
very Tare Zameen Par.
Yeah, but
yeah.
but you know how they're introducing the form, the font, whatever the text in the
Yeah,
thing,
fair,
in between the
okay.
jokes, in between the happenings.
yeah,
It's very Raju Hirani-esque. I
Yeah,
absolutely
yeah,
get that. I really enjoyed the trailer, dude. I was sick. What we're talking about, fucking him taking a risk. I'm sick of these fucking mindless actioners.
Right.
That-
I am
what-
tired of it. Okay, who better than Amir Khan
To break this.
to break this,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, I
Because
agree.
see, it's not like others are not trying to break it. They are. There
Huh.
are off and on. You will see like Lapata and all.
Yeah.
Of course, again that is again,
Again,
a bad
Amir,
example
yeah.
because it's Amir only.
Yeah.
But there are movies which
That's
come
the thing.
about,
Salman and Shah Rukh succumb to it.
Exactly.
Amir has not.
which is
Unless he shows up in
Again-
YRF spoilers.
which he might, which is
Which he
fine.
might,
Yeah,
yeah.
which is he should because I'm sure he
Matlab,
wants.
we have like I
Yeah.
think before all three retire or any of like any one of the Khans retire, we
Yeah.
need to see all three
Three
in
of them
one
together.
frame.
For sure, 100%.
Yeah, dude.
And also because doing those big budget movies allows him to do Lapata Ladies and those
Correct.
kind of movies
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
which is like a whole give and take.
Yeah.
So I would say, all in all, an absolutely banging, amazing trailer. It's already like reached in
46 million.
46 million in like a day and a half, which is it's gonna go way beyond. I think it's gonna be an amazing movie. I definitely know that I'm gonna be crying through it because it's one. It seems to be
Yeah.
one of those movies.
Yeah.
I just hope nobody dies. That's one thing I want. Please, don't let one of these kids die. That's the one thing
What
I
if
want.
Amir dies in the movie?
वो- चलो,
ठीक है, आमिर का ठीक है.
Yeah.
बच्चों को कुछ
Because
नहीं होना चाहिए.
Amir, I know in real life is alive. No.
What the
मैं सोच रहा था कि ये ऑलमोस्ट कैंसिलेबल मोमेंट अंतरिक्ष का कितनी जल्दी आएगा एपिसोड में.
Okay. So I would say yes. All in all, highly looking forward to it.
You
Now
think
this
it'll
has become my most anticipated movie of the year, like immediately because of this trailer.
Do you think it'll be a big hit?
I think it's gonna be massive. I think.
Even I think it's going to be
Okay,
a
so
good
all three of us
yeah.
are on the
See,
same.
basically, Amir already this movie because the naming Sitare
Yeah,
Zameen Par is a
yeah.
na-
Recall
continuation.
value, yeah, yeah.
Exactly. Immediately that. Firstly, we know right now, sadly or happily, whatever you want, sequels are doing big business.
Big
Yeah.
business.
So already
Not
two
just
In fact,
factors there.
sequels are the only things like
Yeah.
that's working basically.
Correct. Also, dude, this is it has never been more evident as right now in this moment of history that a good trailer is the only thing that is making people go to the theaters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is an absolutely good good trailer.
I agree,
If
I
all
agree.
three of us got out of the trailer with a smile, that means everyone else who saw it also did, probably, right?
I
Unless you're
agree,
Salman
yeah.
Khan or something, which is like, hey, this fucking movie.
is Salman?
Why is this movie doing well? Meri movie flop हुई
And,
सारी Sikandar.
Sikandar didn't do well.
Sikandar was shit.
But yeah,
so I would say, yeah.
like I agree. So जैसे मैं भी रिस्क की बात कर रहा था, मैं उसके साथ एक और बात ये भी कहना चाहता था कि जो रिस्क है बहुत ही कैलकुलेटेड भी है. Like you
That's
know
what I'm saying,
कि इसको like risk considering the climate but calculated because Amir can be the only person to break it.
Yeah, correct.
That is also something जो मुझे लगता है कि आमिर ने बहुत स्मार्टली 4 चीजें पकड़ी कि सीक्वल डाल दिया तारे जमीन पर के नाम वाला.
Yeah,
ठीक है, फील जब पूरा तुम लाइक स्काई फोर्स और ये सब ऐसा हाई एक्शन
अरे
स्लो ड्रामास ये
ब्रो
सब देख रहे
अगेन वन मोर पॉइंट. अभी इतना जो भी चल रहा है कंट्री में, इंडिया पाकिस्तान का जितना भी चल रहा है, ओके, दिस इज सच अ ब्रेक अवे फ्रॉम दैट.
Escapism,
Yeah.
दिस इज सच अ परफेक्ट एस्केप फॉर दैट.
इट्स लाइक अ मंथ एंड अ हाफ
या
टू गो.
अगर नाउ इमेजिन अब अगर स्काई फोर्स जैसी मूवी अभी आमिर निकालता, बिकॉज अगेन इट्स opportune टाइम टू डू दैट,
exactly
राइट?
मतलब famously like people like 43 registrations happened on the very first day
Exactly.
of the operation.
Absolutely. So, but again, he also understands, and this is a kind of a mature person to understand this, that people need comedy in this time even more than more, fuming, whatever, like, what do you call, putting coal in fanning the flames.
Thank
Oh,
you.
As a
Thanks for
sort of
coming to
like-
my TED Talk.
Finding Fanny.
So I would say yes.
Two
Yeah.
more things I want to add, and then
Yeah.
we can go to the tier list. So I'm really
Tier list.
I'm really thankful that he's not doing an accent in this movie. Like he was.
Oh, bro,
doing,
he's
yeah.
doing it.
The
That's,
slightly
I,
Delhi
I,
accent.
I was
no,
about to get to that.
Slight Delhi accent.
He's doing it. He's trying to do it, which being a Delhiite, instantly I was like,
As a Bombay person, I
ये
was.
क्यों
I didn't
caricature
notice.
किया?
Also, I must say, another great moment we're going to see of Amir drunk acting.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
of that
That
accident.
one scene.
Already in the
Yeah.
trailer looks hilarious.
Yes.
And he's not doing that stupid bug-eyed thing that he
Oh, yeah.
does in
Oh,
Three
yeah,
Idiots-
correct.
Three Idiots, PK, and Lal Singh Chadha.
Yeah.
So seems like a normal-ish character. I mean, wrong choice of word. Sorry. Seems like a regular person.
Again, is that the correct-
regular is okay.
Why irregular?
Amir Khan is coming back on track, basically.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's
that
just
was what I
put
said.
it that way.
Yeah.
Cool. Now should we get to the
Yes,
tier
फटाफट
list?
से, फटाफट
Okay.
से,
So
फटाफट,
why
फटाफट.
did we decide
Hmm.
to do this? Because we thought that this is a great opportunity to go down the memory lane, as it were. Okay. What?
Nothing. We're
Go down.
12-year-olds.
Oh, yeah. Forward opportunity to go down on Amir a little bit, and
The
like.
fact that Abbas and I looked at each other instantly the
Man,
moment he said
if you guys knew the conversation they were having before this, it makes
Hey,
perfect
what?
sense.
We were talking about our
Whoa.
favorite movies, okay?
Whoa.
Yeah, and going
yeah.
down. Okay, so we thought like what a perfect opportunity to look back at Amir's last 20 years of movies.
And why
of
20
Amir.
years? Because वो 5 साल में एक पिक्चर निकाल रहा
हाँ,
है. तो
correct.
हम तो सोच रहे थे 5-7 साल का करें पर 2 ही पिक्चर है 5
हाँ, correct, पता नहीं है.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
And
So-
if you give good response to this episode, maybe we'll do
Yeah.
The pre
2001
Yes, Amir.
tier list also.
And we
yeah.
can do for other actors also.
Yeah, sure.
Like,
I mean, I would love to compare all three Khans का before
bro,
90s.
yeah, because the
90s
thing
songs.
is कि बॉलीवुड वैसे तो और कुछ कर नहीं रहा है.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
तो-
और हम 15-15
तो-
मिनट का वीडियो तो निकालते नहीं, तो हमें टॉपिक तो भारी चाहिए.
हाँ,
तो
correct.
हम लोग यही सब कर सकते हैं.
Exactly right. So then let's
you want to
start.
introduce the list? What the list?
Yes,
sections
we
are?
have
What the tiers are? Sorry.
these are tiers.
Yeah.
Okay. Salty. No.
कैरेमल जिस पे 18% जीएसटी है.
Okay. All right. These are tier list. These are of course the greatest of all time. The GOAT
Goat,
movies.
yes.
The
absolute
Diljit of his
The
movies.
absolute amazings of the movies. Like Lal Singh and all that.
Of course.
Then there are the solid ones, which are
Yeah.
like good bangers, but maybe I won't watch it all day, every day.
Yeah.
The next one is meh. ठीक है, बना ली तो बना ली. अब देखते हैं अगली क्या बनाता है.
हाँ,
Like, you know, we'll give you
मतलब
enough.
वन टाइमर्स
And bad is it actually hurts his stardom.
लाइक तारे जमीन पर.
Like Tare Zameen Par, of course.
Yes.
It's
I
and
thought
Tare
we
Zameen
were
Par.
renaming it to Bakwas.
Bakwas, the terrible bakwas, horrible. Bad is yeah, you're right. It's a very lukewarm
Bakwas
term.
is another tier.
No,
No, bad is
Bad
only
is
बकवास.
it's bad means bakwas.
Bad is बकवास.
bakwas.
Bakwas बंद कर.
वैसा वो बकवास
dictionary.
डिक्शनरी. नाइस, गुड. मैन ऑफ कल्चर.
वो ये और कौन सा है बकवास बॉलीवुड में? That's it.
Okay, so let's start.
Are you going chronologically? That's the only way that makes sense.
chronologically.
Okay, yeah, fine.
So in 2005, Amir Khan made Mangal Pandey The Rising.
2005, Mangal
Yes.
Pandey The Rising.
Snail, where would you?
I
put it?
would put it as meh.
Okay, reason?
So Mangal Pandey The Rising is basically like 1850s,
1857.
1857, right?
Yeah.
So I think the setting and the tone of the film and the actual issue was way more गहरा, डीप, जिस तरीके से मतलब कंपेयर टू जिस तरीके से दिखाया गया लव स्टोरी एंड उस सब के बीच में. आई थिंक मुद्दे पे ज्यादा रहते या उसको ज्यादा गहराई से एक्सप्लोर करते तो आई थिंक दैट वुड हैव बीन अ बेटर मंगल पांडे द राइजिंग फॉर मी.
So for me also, Mangal Pandey The Rising is meh, and I'll just give the reason in one line. It's Lagan light.
Oh, okay.
It's trying too hard to recreate
Yeah.
Lagan success.
Sure, fair enough. I see that.
Yeah.
For me also, it's kind of meh. The thing is, like, I've never felt the need to watch that movie again.
Yeah.
Like, that's a big factor.
You're right. Because Rani, so the thing is, Rani is as forgettable as she can be in the film.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, I think,
That
शायद
song is really nice. तुम्हारी यादों
मैं
में
वही बोलने वाला था कि the only reason I remember Rani is because of the song.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. And that's why I said कि वो track अगर हटा के हम पूरा उसी issue पे focus करते तो probably would have been like a better film for me.
So all three of us meh?
मैं
Okay. Moving on.
हम गोट बन गए भाई. मैं
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
2006.
एक ही पिक्चर है 2005.
2005 में एक ही पिक्चर
अरे आई मिस अक्षय यार. अक्षय का
तो हम एक ही साल में पूरा episode निकाल रहे हैं.
बना सकते हैं सारा.
साल 2006.
Yes.
धूम 2.
मोहे मोहे रंग दे बसंती.
Bro, रंग दे बसंती has to be like a proper.
I mean, अब क्या बोल? Can I go first?
Please go ahead.
Rang Basanti bakwas. It's obviously meh. It's obviously a fucking goat movie of all time.
I agree.
So basically, absolutely one of the great acting performances of everyone.
Yeah.
I would say not just Amir. If you go by, even if you count Madhavan, he has a short role, Sohali Khan, Sharman Joshi.
Bro, sub.
Dude, even the white actress, what's her name? Sue.
Kar
mere
man ko.
You know, so even her, Kiran Kher also is good enough, if serviceable in her role.
Yeah, the film is bang.
A.R. Rahman's music cannot get better than that.
Yeah.
Every scene is hard hitting. There are quotable lines, endless quotable lines. The Peshab wala line.
कॉलेज के इस तरफ की दुनिया.
Yeah.
इतनी सारी लाइनें हैं उस पिक्चर
Correct,
में.
dude, endless.
क्रांतिकारी लाइनें.
Correct.
और इसको याद आई पेशाब
पेशाब वाला line. Of course, यार. इसलिए तो करंट में क्या प्रेजेंट में मूत रहे हैं. तो वही बोल रहा ना.
So good for you.
Excellent.
Good for you as well.
Good for me as well. And especially, you know why?
Oh.
अब ये जो हगेगा ना.
Just because we both said
I
the
swear.
non-conformist.
I'm torn
Nabas.
between goat and solid. I'll tell you why.
नहीं पहले
Is it
एक
हाँ,
सेकंड मुझे
go ahead.
एक गोट का एक आई थिंक अगर सॉलिड अगर किसी के हम तीनों में से किसी के मन में सॉलिड भी है अगर ये फिल्म तो आई थिंक यू शुड ऑटोमेटिकली प्रमोट इट टू गोट
Because two of us are in a
नो
goat.
बिकॉज
Oh, okay.
अब ये पिक्चर नहीं बन सकती.
100%.
That's not a reason to
Bro,
make
that
it a
has
goat,
to be a
right?
reason because अगर आप जो अपना हैजिट एजवेल का झंडा उठा के घूमते रहते हो ना, the thing is कि आज के like we should be able to appreciate these kind of films so that we can probably promote and motivate people to actually come
know,
up with
and
these films.
According to me, the Rang De Basanti has a lot of problems, which have a lot of issues which it has not aged well. Let's do this.
Oh, who are you? BJP
woke
dude?
up, it hasn't aged well. Let's fucking do
But
this.
we've had this conversation 100 times at
Yeah.
at IVM at here, like
Yes.
during this in that
Yeah.
episode also.
मेरा primary point, the reason I'm torn between goat and solid, is it a great Amir movie? it's the ensemble, right? It's the
Oh,
whole
oh.
feel of the movie.
We are looking at movie as a whole. I'm not.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
not looking at it as an
Okay.
Amir film.
हाँ, movie
necessarily.
as a whole, obviously.
Now
yeah,
he's already. Is he not the lead in the
Is it
film?
one of the greatest of all time?
For
Dude,
Amir,
absolutely,
yes.
man.
For Amir, yes.
And also, like, you also have to do the cultural impact
I know, I'm taking
that
the
Rang De
cultural
Basanti has
impact.
had.
Would you not rate Rang De Basanti in one of the top 5 or top 10 films,
Amir films?
2000 and above? Overall Bollywood.
I would absolutely, man.
Top
Also,
5?
it's
चलो top 10.
Top 10, yes.
Right. तो उस top 10 की लिस्ट में आमिर की कितनी है आपके पास?
dude. Also, the number of
Fine, let's do GOAT.
also the number of people who
मैं
you
अपने पोर्टफोलियो में डालने वाला हूँ कि मैंने अब्बास को कन्विंस किया है.
Because I don't think post this there's any other film I'll rate as good, but we'll see. Chalo.
okay. I'm
Of Amir films, yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit. मुझे
I
लगा
don't
था
know, we'll
रंग दे
see.
बसंती would be the most controversial opinion Abbas has. Okay, so we've been at the same wavelength till
Till so far.
so far.
For two films. Yeah.
two films. Yes.
Yeah.
So good. मैं.
ऐसे जाना है, लगा एपिसोड क्या लग रहा है
2006, two films. The second movie
Wow.
that Amir did was Fana.
Oh.
you know
What was that face you made?
fucking meh, very meh for me,
मैं.
very meh. Like, see, I know you are tempted to go give it a solid.
Yeah,
because it's
I'm very tempted
it's
to.
definitely
for a
not
solid.
Rang De level.
Nah, he's not.
And
it's
it would
not
be very
good,
disingenuous for anyone to
Yeah.
say that it is Rang De level.
रंग दे बसंती level.
No, it's
Rather,
not.
Abbas is like, dude, but Fana, the artistry, the end in
The
Fana.
last scene.
Yeah, the
where
one,
Rishi
the way
Kapoor
Rishi
looks
Kapoor is,
at the time.
no, the way Rishi Kapoor floats through the ice is amazing.
So, meh for you.
I
You
think
know-
solid for me.
Oh, I
Like,
would say, so it's very meh for me. I would say
What?
even the bottom meh for me. Why? I think it's a very okay love story. It gives me it because of the whole terrorist angle. I feel a little uneasy also when I watch it. It's again nothing to do with the India-Pakistan thing. Of course, Pakistan sucks and whatever. But you know, the terrorist angle has always made me feel a little uneasy. Anyway, so I'm going by my personal this thing of it.
fair, yeah.
So whenever I watch it, I always somehow I'm a little uncomfortable. Not because like, oh, how can anyone show a love story? That's totally fine. I don't even know how to explain it. You know, it's a very difficult, it's a very weird thing to explain. Basically, it's not a movie that I seek.
Would you
When I
like
watch- when I
so
look at Fana.
do you draw parallels between Dilse and Fana by any chance?
No, I think Dilse is a way superior.
Oh,
film.
100%.
Yeah,
110%. There is
yeah, like if you were to
like
describe it in one
yeah,
line,
हाँ, one liners की बात कर रहा हूँ.
basic
Yes.
plot maybe, yeah, but I don't know. Like
भाई Dilse तो
Dilse is way
Dilse
better.
is history का one of the best films.
I am
feel.
almost
Yeah.
I almost think this should be Bakwas Fana, because but then when it came out, it was a big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Right. The songs were very big.
It was
very big
Kunal
hit.
Kohli, right?
Kunal
I-
Kohli, yeah,
yes.
But you're right. It's not a rewatchable film.
Yeah.
Nothing about this film really stands out.
Yeah.
The twist of Amir being the terrorist also again is but I'll put it Bakwas.
When Bakwas?
Bakwas?
Yes.
I mean, good songs.
But like,
That's about
so,
it.
I'll tell you. So देखो. So again, good performances. A like a mainstream.
Is Kajol a convincing blind girl?
I mean, at the time, I haven't seen it in a
at
while.
the time,
Yeah.
B
But
उस
since then the portrayal of blind
नहीं नहीं
That's evolved.
उस time पे एक
Have you seen Rajkumar Rao?
This is post Black, by the way, where Rani has played a blind girl.
Okay, we'll do a tier list of blind performances later.
Andhadhun.
But ठीक है,
Sorry,
like
हाँ.
now the points that you've put across, I would probably go with meh as well, like not a solid. Because like पता है, the thought is कि solid के लिए मेरे पास जो आगे फिल्में हैं वो इससे बहुत better है.
Sure.
So
fair
now,
enough.
if two of us are at Meh and one of us is at Bakwas,
Yeah.
So basically two people are right.
So 2007 doesn't. 2007 is
भूल भुलैया.
no. The reason why this episode is here.
oh, Tare Zameen Par.
Oh yes, bro.
Okay, Abbas can.
Abbas,
go
you
first.
start.
It's a solid movie. I think
Solid.
it's good. It for a brief while made people give a shit about dyslexia, and
Would you not rate it as goat?
it's very manipulative. It's
It is.
trying
It-
very hard to
That was a very convincing no.
what?
Like very
It's not-
convinced
it's
no.
not,
It's
the
not
greatest.
goat for Amir.
So interestingly, Amir. This is the only film Amir has directed also.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it's a very manipulative film. It's trying very hard to get.
But every film is
emotion.
manipulative,
No,
bro.
but considering, so Amol Gupta was supposed to do this first. Okay, Amol Gupta has written the movie. Amol Gupta then made Stanley Ka Dabba. You can see what Tare Zameen Par could have been in a more subdued and subtle way. Whereas Tare Zameen Par, which is what Amir is good at. He's good at mainstream Hindi cinema-fying subtle story. So it's good for what it is.
Firstly, also the fact
Ah.
that this guy, nobody saw him doing this when Tare Zameen Par came out. The fact that he made a movie
Yeah.
where he doesn't show up himself for the first half an hour.
For the first half,
first
For the
half.
first half, yeah.
And then the main star is a kid who nobody, again, nobody knows who the kid is.
Agreed.
Yeah.
And then makes this movie work and such a big hit.
And makes
and
this
so
movie
iconic.
work, and how. The thing is, so
Yeah.
famously, like Amir says that जब उसने दरशील सवारी का audition लिया था, so apparently Amir was convinced by the look that Darshil gave when his name was announced. So Amir, I've heard this somewhere where Amir tells the story of how Darshil was casted, and he was like, बाहर बहुत सारे बच्चे बैठे हुए थे, and मैं CCTV से देख रहा था, and बोला, हमने जब उसका नाम अनाउंस किया तो वो ऐसे बैठा हुआ था, and he just looked up and कह रहा है, with that look I knew that I found my Ishan.
Okay, wow.
So I should make it a goat for that
अरे
reason.
यार मैं स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ भाई, हद हो गई.
Yeah, फिर तो correct. I think I'm putting bakwas now because of that. So, I would say I am very tempted to put in goat.
Even I
But
am very
the thing
tempted
is,
to.
no, I don't want my goat to not mean something.
But यार तारे ज़मीन पर is not that film
It is
that
there.
makes.
Everything after this is.
No, see, the thing is, for me, Three Idiots is right fucking one of my greatest
Spoiler
movies
alert.
of all time, dude. Okay.
Spoiler.
So when that comes up, I have to put that in goat.
Sure.
Okay. So now if I'm thinking, if will I have too many movies in goat? So should I like differentiate it?
भाई 13 में से अगर आपकी 2 पिक्चरें या 3 पिक्चरें गोट में जा रही है तो that's not too many.
Yeah, okay, fair. फिर तो then goat.
Look
That
at
is fair.
Snail convincing people to make
Yeah,
a
what is
goat
this?
film.
Snail to show your abs. You can be debate champion, debate leader, debate leader.
yes.
You'll be
I'm from Greatest Noida.
greatest Noida.
Goat for you?
Yeah, good.
Goat for me.
Goat for you
Goat
as
for
well?
me, for sure.
Two?
Yes.
Really? Tare Zameen Par, one of the best Amir has ever made.
यार why not?
Sure, okay.
I mean,
it's a good movie. I won't say it's meh or bad, but
okay, more problems
Not
you
eh,
have.
sorry, good.
You have more problems with Rang De Basanti or Tare Zameen Par?
Rang De Basanti.
Oh, that's
So
And yet I pulled in goat.
yeah.
Okay, Tare
Okay, moving on. We have to do a lot of movies.
Yeah.
2008, Amir Khan makes Ghajni.
Oh, solid.
Oh,
Solid. For sure,
No,
solid.
For you?
Not a goat film for me.
Meh for me.
What?
Yeah, dude. You
So
know.
we have to take into consideration the hairstyle, the tattoos, everything.
So you will give it a full, is what I'm saying.
I'm asking you.
So again, iconic, yes.
Great music.
Great music. Great.
Remake.
Also, like
Remake. Meh for you?
meh for me.
It's a very painful film to watch, yaar.
But it's a very good.
It's a
performance.
tragedy.
Also,
It's a tragedy.
It's a mockery of Memento.
Sure, that's
Sure,
also there.
yeah, fair. You're right.
Also, I
And
feel.
also, this guy then made Sikandar.
See, also like if you see,
इसलिए बकवास.
फिर तो बकवास है।
इसलिए.
Just because this guy went on to do
Makes
Sikandar.
Sikandar.
So the thing is,
And, oh, by the way, they're getting Ghajini too, huh?
are they really?
Are they
Yeah,
now?
yeah.
वो भी बकवास ही होने वाले हैं यार।
Yeah.
वो तो सीधा मैं डाल देता हूँ। What I would say is that this is not exactly also the movie. See, this is not the movie that tests Amir as an actor.
Really?
What are you saying?
Yeah, I kind of disagree with that. He had not done something like this before, like
That's
anger,
true.
action.
So, but I feel like anger
I mean, he had. But
is kind of an
probably.
easier emotion to
Ooh.
come up with as an actor.
See, he went to acting school.
But
so-
also now I'm thinking about it, like, see that
But
first
he's
half.
still doing this here, so we know how much into consideration we have to take.
क्या बे? See, so easy. I mean, come on. Also, again, I just feel like I don't know, man. It doesn't fill me with like a certain emotion that I
Like,
want
it
a
literally
movie to fill
has
me.
one of the most emotional sequences
Loss.
with Amir.
As in Asin Navar.
असिन का
Where
वो
जैसे
and-
तुम जैसे मुझे तुम मिल गई. Oh,
ठीक है.
that's very good. Yes, I agree.
Then towards the end when he finally when उसका पूरा revenge ले लेता है.
Then that whole revenge thing is where the movie
Disconnect.
loses me, dude.
Oh, अच्छा.
Like the action is fine, but इतना over the top
Yeah,
तो मेरे
yeah.
को नहीं जमता भाई.
So मैं for you.
So मैं for me.
मैं for me as well.
Yeah.
So
Why?
Gajini is मैं.
So again, like
It's not. It's
okay,
not.
yeah,
Doesn't make me want to rewatch it.
exactly. How rewatchable are all these films for you guys also?
यार rewatchable की scale पे तो फिर
I mean,
तो
so
मतलब
far
बहुत
all the
कम
ones that
नहीं
have,
है.
apart from probably Mangal Pandey, I think Rang De, Tare Zameen Par, and those are the only other two, right?
And Fana.
Fana also not very, but
Yeah.
RDB and Tare Zameen Par very rewatchable.
Yeah, I would say.
चलो ठीक है.
Yeah. Tare
ठीक
Zameen
है,
was
फिर-
coming on TV recently. Again, the last scene, I again teared up, dude. It is so
मतलब
good.
तारे ज़मीन पर तो
It's
was
so good.
crazy.
Okay.
So good at manipulating you.
अब्बा सीधी सादी चीज की ऐसा दो तीन
यार।
भारी शब्द ऐसा बम्बार्ड करके फाड़ के रख देता है ना.
आमिर ये एपिसोड देखेगा तो बोलेगा, यार मैं
इट्स लाइक
Manipulated?
दो लोग कह रहे हैं कि यार इट मेड अस फील वेरी इमोशनल. या इट वाज मैनिपुलेटेड.
yeah, it
was.
manipulated me
It manipulated
into crying
you.
and
Yeah, you
feeling
fell for
things.
it.
You gullible pieces of shit.
It manipulated me into missing my mother. Yuck.
Such a bad emotion.
Stay out of the room, mom.
Okay, 2009, moving on. It's Three Idiots. His
Yeah.
first collaboration with Raja Hirani.
Bad.
Oh, really?
Let's go. गोट के ऊपर कुछ हो सकता है क्या? Three Idiots. Okay.
So, good for
भाई
you,
ने लिख ही
clearly.
दिया है. भाई ने
भाई-
एक्सप्लेनेशन गई गाँव मारा.
इससे नीचे तो कोई होने नहीं वाला भाई.
थ्री इडियट्स इतनी पसंद है आपको?
भाई कुछ
It's
ज्यादा
his
पसंद
favorite movie,
है.
bro.
कुछ ज्यादा पसंद है मेरे को. Love it too much.
नहीं, see,
Every scene is fucking
Even
there
I-
are entire YouTube channels that that are born because they have to break down Three Idiots and Raju Rani's work in Three Idiots. Amazing. Check out Cineman, which is pretty great.
आप बताओ आपके लिए क्या है थ्री इडियट्स?
So we have Solid Meh and Bakwas, right?
Yeah, and yeah.
Three
And
Idiots
Goat
for
also,
me. No, it's not Goat. See, it was a rage when it came out.
यार तुम
it
दोनों
is-
solid में डाल दोगे यार
It is
इसको.
a, it is a,
सालो.
it is a funny movie.
Very funny.
A lot of humor.
Try very funny.
Humor has not aged well. Some of it.
Extremely hilarious.
Music not that great.
What are you talking about?
नहीं भाई, म्यूजिक तो you can't take it away like on the music front, bro.
No, I'm
It's
just
an excellent
comparing-
music.
Excellent तो नहीं है.
Bro,
गजनी का
dude,
music ज्यादा
let's
अच्छा
okay.
था इससे.
बहती हवा सा था वो.
हाँ.
All
Good
is well.
music,
It's
I'm not
okay.
saying it's
All is okay.
bad.
बहती हवा सा था वो. Give me some sunshine. Fucking Zubi Dubi.
Can you name the music director? Shantanu Moitra. Okay.
Shantanu Moitra. I can.
I would say Solid.
यार even I am very tempted to put it in solid, dude,
Put
very
it.
honestly.
But I would, say. put
But
it
then the
good.
fact, but the thing is कि it's a solid for me when it comes to like rating Bollywood films.
हाँ.
But अगर मैं उसका सबसेट कम करके आमिर कर देता हूँ तो I think आमिर के लिए I will have to put it in the goat.
Are you serious?
यार मैं like the only thought in my mind is कि क्या आमिर ने थ्री इडियट्स से बेहतर फिल्में करी हैं थ्री इडियट्स के बाद?
That is a different question.
या
We
थ्री
are
इडियट्स
I mean,
judging
you don't
Three
need to
Idiots,
put that.
हाँ.
That
We are
need not
solely
be.
judging it on its own merit.
Yeah.
नहीं, I think it will
So
go
when
in
we
solid,
did the
यार.
Hirani ranking, I think Three Idiots was our second
मेरा second lowest, yeah.
हाँ.
But I agree. Like Three Idiots didn't have me like the way it had Antariksh.
But still you'll put it in good.
No, I'll go for solid.
Solid,
bro.
okay.
Yeah,
Like, I tried reasoning with myself कि चलो अगर मैं आमिर को वो करूँ तो आमिर का सबसेट बनाऊँ तो उसके लिए शायद थ्री इडियट्स गोट होगी now. But नहीं dude, Three
Okay.
Idiots is not the goat film for me. I
Okay.
think.
So that's Three Idiots. I'm sorry we didn't convince
That's the
you.
first
So it's
solid
in
film
solid?
of the episode actually.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. So then after Three Idiots in 2009, Amir has a long break. And then in 2000...
He was pretty good in that break.
Goat break.
Just a second.
Yeah.
गोट में हमने तारे जमीन पर डाली है और हमने रंग दे डाली है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
हाँ नहीं, थ्री इडियट्स क्लियरली उनसे तो मतलब नहीं, ठीक है चलो ओके.
In 2012, he makes Talash. The answer lies within.
यार
So confession, I have not seen this film completely from start to finish. I've seen it in parts, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna judge it.
I have
I was seen in parts.
and see again I haven't went back to Talash like a number of times,
Hmm.
but when I watched it It was
Solid.
pretty solid for me.
Solid.
That's what
Solid for me
I've
as
heard.
well.
It's a solid movie,
Yeah.
but because I've only seen it in parts, I'll have to put it in May just to be.
What?
I haven't seen the full movie. How
Okay, so
can I
from
say it's a
whatever
solid
you
movie?
whatever you have seen, you've liked
I mean,
it.
it seems solid.
Okay, so Talash is a solid
Solid
from
for
all three
sure.
of us.
But अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी है तो do watch it. It's a
will,
very
we
good
will
film.
watch it,
It's a
yeah.
very good film.
Okay, in 2013, Amir Khan makes Dhoom 3.
Bakwas. Bakwas.
So, reminder, Dhoom 3 was the highest grossing film of that year.
Yeah, one of the highest grossing
भाई
movies of all
because
time.
of Dhoom 2 and Dhoom 1.
Okay,
ठीक है,
but,
it was such a bad film. It was such a letdown. The fact that you can kill the franchise. You literally killed the franchise with that film. We might see like a resurfacing या resurgence
Reboot,
of
हाँ.
reboot. ऐसा कुछ भी हो, शायद धूम reboot बना रहे हैं. Rumors से कि रणबीर के साथ बन रही है. But dude, Dhoom 3 was such a fucking letdown.
I
dude.
would, yeah, I would have to agree also. Also, किसी पिक्चर को तो डालना ही चाहिए ना बकवास
Bro,
में.
you know, the worst part about Dhoom 3, they
Yeah.
don't show the robberies happening.
Right.
That's true.
They just
Yeah.
show कि कर ली.
Before
अरे
and
भाई,
after.
Before and
Before and
after वो
after.
कटिंग कराने थोड़ी है नाई के
वो
पास.
सिर्फ
पहले ऐसा दिखता था.
सिर्फ
बाद में
भागते हुए दिखाते हैं उसको.
हाँ, और हर बार कैसे सेम तरीके से भाग के ऊपर से पैसा गिर रहा है. पुलिस वाला क्या बोथा है या पता ही नहीं लग रहा उसको ऊपर से भागता हुआ आएगा वो नीचे.
बोथा
पुलिस वाला अभिषेक बच्चन है तो लेट्स नॉट. It's gonna take some
one or two
time.
में भी तो था.
हाँ तो it wasn't that smart.
नहीं
What
but
is
for sure.
बोथा?
बोथा is basically बेवकूफ
Oh,
types.
अच्छा.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, बकवास. Dhoom 3 has to be बकवास.
Doom 3 I would say also yeah not great.
Universally बकवास.
Yeah. बंदे हैं हम क्या what is that?
बंदे हैं हम उसके, हम पे किसका
नहीं,
जोर.
जोर.
उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर.
निकले चारों ओर.
Okay, 2014, interesting film. The second collaboration between Hirani and Amir Khan.
PK I would say yeah,
PK solid है.
solid man.
Solid.
Good
It's
enough.
not meh. It's solid.
Yeah, it's definitely better than
The
मैं.
idea is solid that it's based on. But
Yeah.
the execution is a little meh.
The thing is कि you know when I watched PK, I didn't like it that much.
Oh, you didn't?
I didn't like it that much because for me it was feeling like an oh my god ripoff.
Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है, and for me oh my god is a far
Yeah.
superior film.
Yeah.
The play is written beautifully. The film is a very good execution of the play. But over the years, I think PK rewatchability scale पे थोड़ा ऊपर आ गया. But that's also because of Hirani's way of
The way his
filmmaking.
career is
Yeah.
now. Also, this also holds up with your point that it would never be made today.
Again, it would never.
Correct.
उस टाइम पे भी problems हो गए थे.
उस time में भी
उस टाइम
problems
में
थे.
बहुत problems हो गए
Why
थे.
I think it's a proper solid film, and I actually love the execution also because, firstly, when I watched it at the time, I was in awe that someone even then made it in India. Firstly, okay, I loved it that much. Also, at that time, I was going through like, you know, a time where I was questioning my own faith.
Right.
I was like, oh, I don't really believe in all the theist religions. I was watching a lot of Bill Maher stuff, famous atheist. Bill Maher, Real Time with Bill Maher, if you know, HBO show.
Popular Donald Trump fan now.
No, not really.
He is.
He just went on dinner.
Okay, Antariksh,
Hey,
fine.
man, I saw. I've seen
yeah.
his content.
Mr. Ambani is going on dinner with
Trump?
Mr. Trump.
Oh, him and Bill Maher,
in
two
Doha.
friends of Trump's. So I was like, so because of that, all of these other things which are happening in my life, I thought PK was a great questioning of the status quo when it comes to religion and what have you.
Bro, I
I
love-
also didn't even at the time when I saw it. So sorry.
Uh-huh.
At the time I didn't think of it. Ki, oh, why is he doing this against Hinduism and not against it? Because that is a very popular angle.
And it's wrong. He does it for all religions.
He does essentially, yes. But they're like, oh, why are they singling out so much of the movie?
costume
is
वाला
based
जो
around
सारा angle है. Yeah.
yeah, based around Hinduism and all those temples he's going to,
Yeah.
and like यहाँ पे he puts
There's also a
thing
scene
like
where
that.
he's taking alcohol and running out of a mosque with people,
Correct.
with a mob following him.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
dude. I agree. I'm absolutely agreeing with you.
Yeah.
But because of that, I think the movie gets a much worse rap
Yeah,
than it
yeah.
actually deserves. I actually
Yeah.
think it's a very, very, very solid
So
film.
where
मुझ-
would you put it?
Solid.
मुझे
absolutely.
मुझे उसका
Up,
solid?
Solid,
मुझे
but
उसका वो
upper
मोनोलॉग
tier.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब वो सौरभ शुक्ला के सामने बैठ के बोलता है तुम बचाएगा भगवान को. जो तुम्हें बनाया है, तुम इतना बड़ा दुनिया में, इतना छोटा गोला में, इतना छोटा शहर में यहाँ बैठ के तुम रक्षा करेगा भगवान की. दैट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल मोनोलॉग जो लाइक द नैरेटिव कि हम भगवान को बचा रहे हैं. भाई भगवान को तुम्हारे बचाने की जरूरत नहीं.
भगवान है. There's a reason of भगवान है.
solid for you.
Solid for sure.
I would love to see a PK 2 also, by the way, Ranbir.
What did I give? 3 Idiots? Did I give it solid?
Yeah.
You gave it a solid, yes.
Oh, solid. Okay, so then PK is also solid.
Oh, you don't think but between the two?
Between the two, if I had to pick one, I have more memories associated with 3 Idiots.
Sure.
So yeah, but PK again, because the point it's trying to make is so important, I would say it's a solid movie.
Alright,
Yes.
fair enough. तूने क्या solid?
Solid.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. So in 2016,
Okay.
Amir Khan makes Dangal, one of his highest grossing movies.
And one of the most appreciated films also. A film that gave us Sania Malhotra
And Fatima Sana.
and Fatima Sana Sheikh, obviously,
Yes.
and Apar Shakti Khurana.
Yes. Man, okay, Abbas, you want to start with this one?
I would say it's a solid.
Yeah, right.
Again, it's
Exactly.
it's a solid film.
Yeah.
It also landed in a lot of controversies, by the way.
What was it called?
I forgot.
You remember the negative tone that they had to the coach?
Oh, dude,
Right.
because it's post PK, right? This was his first movie post PK, was it not?
No,
That's why he was also Amir was seeing the hate, follow up hate from
acha.
PK.
But
what
I
was
think
it?
the
Definitely part of it.
coach also filed like some
Oh,
case
acha.
or something
Got
of
it.
sorts कि
The
ऐसा-
real coach.
the real coach,
हाँ,
yeah.
हाँ, हाँ.
कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था भाई, तुम क्या मेरे को इतना, मैंने तुम्हें कब कमरे में बंद कर दिया भाई,
Okay.
उनको like a real Fogart senior को.
Oh, okay.
For you?
I would say again solid, but upper tier of solid.
हाँ, fair, upper tier of solid, no doubt about it.
Like, you know, it could almost it's a fantastic movie, I would say, but I don't think it is at the level for me of Rang De or Tare or 3 Idiots also. But it's a very, very good movie, and I also I like rewatching it also. It's very fun. I think, yeah, proper
Very,
solid.
हाँ,
Proper
मतलब
solid.
top tier solid.
Yeah.
Did Sultan come out the same year?
Both,
It was
again,
one
if-
year before.
Yeah.
1 year before, 1 year after.
1 year after, 1 year after. I feel
As in
after.
which one came first?
No, I think Sultan came first.
Sultan was 1 year before this.
I
Okay.
could be wrong. Let me just double check.
I think it's 1 year after. Sultan
1
came
year after भी हो
2017.
सकता है, हाँ,
Okay,
हाँ,
whatever
हाँ.
it is. But the only reason I'm bringing this up is I think Sultan is a slightly better film.
Oh,
than
yeah.
Dangal.
Sultan 2016.
And the thing is, so Dangal, you know, there is this criticism of Dangal, which criticism that is against.
Oh, guys, by the way, both are 2016.
We're not 2016, okay.
Yeah.
But I think Sultan came before Dangal.
Earlier in the year,
release
you
schedule,
mean.
Earlier in
maybe,
the year,
yeah.
yes.
But there is this criticism which, I mean, it's up for debate, that considering that the two girls are supposed to be the star of the movie.
Amir
it's
takes
still
a lot of
Amir who
yeah.
takes the limelight.
But
in
that's
the
also
movie.
the case with, like, अगर आप देखो तो चकदे में also is
Yes,
a similar
absolutely.
case, right?
Yeah, yeah.
तो
So Tare Zameen Par also.
Also, Sitare Zameen Par
मिशन
also looks
मंगल
like
like
that.
one thing जो एक चीज जो मुझे लगता है मिशन मंगल में नहीं हुई, which is like अक्षय कुमार, विद्या बालन,
yeah.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा,
Yeah.
शर्मा जोशी,
Vidya Balan also.
हाँ,
Vidya
विद्या
Balan
बालन,
also,
I think नित्या मेनन,
Yeah.
all these women and
Akshay Kumar.
अक्षय कुमार,
Yeah.
like उसके अंदर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि like this on the poster obviously अक्षय कुमार is the biggest face,
Yeah.
but in the film अक्षय कुमार actually takes a back seat. आपने देखी है मिशन मंगल?
देखिए, it was
नहीं,
a
मैंने
date movie for me. And,
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
And
You went for an Akshay Kumar film for a date?
For a date, yeah, because my date wanted to watch it. So
Oh,
I was
nice,
like,
nice,
okay.
oh, and did it go?
You
I
liked
was
it?
not impressed much
By the
By the
date or
girl.
by the film?
by the film.
The film was great.
By the date?
Film was great. Date was very meh.
I will put
Actually,
date
don't-
in May.
मुझे बस याद है कि विद्या बालन पूरी तलते तलते उसको कुछ तो एक आइडिया आ जाता है साइंटिफिक
हाँ.
अगर हम इसको
Home science.
Nice.
बट
ठीक है.
हाँ सो दंगल
Dangal, solid, top tier solid.
solid I think it's a universal solid.
Dangy.
After this we come to
Whoa, bakwas, bad bakwas.
so in again he takes a bit of a break for 2 years, no, for a year, and in 2018 he puts out Thugs of Hindustan.
Oh,
Confession,
good.
I've only seen clips of this movie. I haven't seen the whole movie. I wasn't very impressed with the clips.
yeah.
So-
I've seen. I would say like 90% of the movie.
No, I've seen it in the theaters and it's bad.
Yeah. I've seen 90% of the movie and it's
Yeah,
bad
it's
only, bro.
bad. Like,
Especially, actually, there's no especially needed. I was gonna say especially we've seen Pirates. No, there's no especially needed.
no, it's just
It's
bad.
just a bad
it's just
movie.
bad. The
Yeah.
thing is कि उसके अंदर like I was very intrigued by the look Amir had. ठीक है, like it was one of the most anticipated films because
What is his
Amir-
name in it?
भाई
some weird
पिक्चर
name.
नहीं याद लोग को
It's
आमिर
like
के
one of
character
the
का
half
नाम।
English, half Hindi.
Yeah,
name, I think. Yeah,
some-
something like
तो
that.
like it was one of the most anticipated collabs between Amir and Amitabh finally.
Yes.
ठीक है, very big budget film.
Yeah, one and only. yeah, correct.
Stellar star cast: Katrina, Amir, Amitabh, Fatima also.
Yes.
I don't remember.
Yeah,
Fa-
yeah,
Fatima
she
is
was-
also in the film
And
again.
YRF.
And YRF.
Yeah.
Fatima returning with
Amir.
Amir. ठीक है, so all of that, and it was such a disaster, dude. It was such a bloody disaster. Katrina is in the film for just 2 songs. She's not there. They don't justify her presence in the film.
Right.
Same with Fatima has a far bigger role than Katrina, but then again, the story just doesn't make sense
Okay.
after a point. No.
So
dude.
bakwas for you.
Bakwas.
Bakwas,
I,
bakwas.
I going off the general this thing image of the movie, which is bad. So I'll go with bakwas. But between Dhoom 3 and Thugs, because we've both put them in bakwas, which do you think is worse?
Thugs.
At least Dhoom made money.
Thugs.
Dhoom
Thugs.
was
Thugs.
a his. It was
Thugs
a hit.
also made money, I guess.
But it wasn't a hit.
But Thugs is a much more.
Yeah, Thugs
Much
is
worse
just
movie.
bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Doom at least
Yeah,
had the
it's,
recall value of Doom and like
Correct.
you know
One of the
nostalgia.
weirdest choices I think that Amir
Yeah,
made in
Doom
his
3
career.
also has the worst Doom title track.
Matlab, yeah, also it's sad that this is the only movie that Amir and Amitabh are done together.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
actually,
it's pretty sad.
Sad.
Oh.
Anyway, universally we put it in bakwas. Okay, finally we come to the last theatrically released film that Amir Khan did in 2022, which was Lal Singh Chaddha. Okay, so I'll start. When didn't watch it in the theaters, I watched it when it came on Netflix. I didn't find it as bad as it was made
Yes,
out to
I
be.
agree.
I remember
agree.
having this conversation. All three, 2 of us, though for sure, we had this
Yeah.
conversation that Lal Singh was not as bad.
I think it's a well-intentioned film,
Yeah.
but it
Bhai,
falls short of
Mona
a lot of
Singh
things.
was crazy.
She
in
was
the film.
amazing.
She's
Yeah.
done a fabulous job in the film.
I think Kareena wasn't how good she could have been.
But
I
I
think the
still
role
think
was
she's
a
the
little-
best thing about the movie.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah. So that's what I said. It's
no,
not
I
as,
think Mona is the best thing about the film.
I think Mona's the best.
Mona
thing.
Singh is also really
Yeah.
good, but she's not in a lot of
Yeah,
the movie.
fair.
And I also like
Uh,
acting wise, okay? Amir gets a lot of shit for this movie. But I would say acting wise, there are 2 scenes which he is excellent at, which are both the death scenes.
Right.
Okay, spoiler alert. The one where Mona Singh dies and the one where Kareena Kapoor's character dies.
Yeah.
Both those scenes, he does a stellar job, dude. I still think of those crying scenes and get emotional
You
because
just
of how
love
good job
to
he did.
cry with Amir Khan in
I
movies.
guess I do, man. I just
No, but
he
like I said,
manipulates me, man.
uh,
Easily manipulated.
well-intentioned film. That said, I would still put it in meh because Amir takes a tone in this movie.
Yeah, it's
which-
definitely not solid.
It's
for
not
sure.
solid.
It's
yeah.
not
It
solid.
Could
for
have
sure.
been solid.
Lower tier
but-
solid. Is that a thing?
यार पता है क्या है अगर आमिर का वो accent redundant ना होता ना
Exactly. Yeah.
यार the thing is कि because of this perfectionist image that he has no वो इतनी propagate हो चुकी है वो image that now I want him to be perfectionist in almost everything that he does ठीक है तो and the Punjabi accent so Punjabi accent is one of the most common accents अगर आप up north की बात करो
That's true, yeah.
so it should not have been that difficult for him to catch that accent
I'm sure
being
he's-
the perfectionist
but
that
he's
he
done
was-
Rang De Vasanti also. He's done.
yeah he's done
proper.
that like even like don't ठेठ पंजाब मत बनो ना ठेठ मत बनो
It was this whole thing. वो जो हर चीज के बाद वो that was very
वो थोड़ा
irritating,
ज्यादा
yeah.
हो गया था
Okay, fair.
but again I think it was a good Indianification of
It was. I agree. Yeah. Of Forrest Gump.
for
Yeah,
Forrest
yeah,
Gump yes तो I think a lot of people went with this कि यार Forrest Gump तो नहीं है नहीं थी वो Forrest Gump
Oh, नहीं होने भी नहीं वाला.
वो होने भी नहीं वाली
I
थी
mean, no, I don't think a majority of Indians have even seen Forrest Gump.
That also possibly yeah true.
हो
I think.
सकता
So
है.
they just judged it on its face value.
I
and
think I think the biggest problem was the
Yeah.
uh,
Actually, I
Exactly,
think
yeah,
most
yeah.
Indians didn't like it because we haven't traveled by airplane.
a different movie.
Different movie also.
But this is stand-up comedian Vikramjeet Singh, who's a Sardar, and he actually did a Twitter thread of the problem with making a character like Lal Singh Chaddha, a Forrest Gump adaptation, a Sardar character, because according to him, read that thread if you can.
Oh, it's like
He's
a little racist.
reinforcing the stereotype
Stereotypes.
that
Santa Manta.
oh, Sardar are simple, but then you can also laugh at them. So it's a little problematic in that
In that
lens
way,
also.
The
So
simpler
meh for
times.
me.
Simpler times when that was an okay stereotype to have.
Meh for me. What about you?
yeah मैं like मैं only मतलब like
I'm fine with Meh. I'm not
Yeah.
going to lose any sleep if you
It's
put
that
this movie.
perfect
in my-
example where it's not bakwas, it's
Yeah.
not solid either, so it's
It's
whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Parts of it are really good. Music is really
Yeah,
good.
music is really good.
And intention was really good, but couldn't execute.
Yeah.
So
I really like the Shah Rukh cameo.
yeah, Shah Rukh Khan is really
Very
good. Yeah. So that is our final tier list. You wanna do a recap? How
Bas
many-
ye
You want
last
to
tha.
predict?
Lal Singh Chaddha is his last movie.
So 11 movies only?
Okay, so that was our tier list for Amir Khan in the last 2 decades.
But do you want to make a prediction for this upcoming?
मैं बोलने वाला
Sitare
था.
Zameen Par.
Solid.
Ah,
Top tier solid.
I really wanted to be solid.
yeah. I also
actually,
really
I
want
wanted to
this
be GOAT. Actually, it's
Who
Goat
doesn't
तो नहीं
want-
होगी.
Amir
Goat-
hasn't had a
हाँ.
really big hit in almost a decade.
Almost,
So-
हाँ, yeah, 2016.
2016 was his last. So fuck it, I'm gonna make a prediction. It's GOAT. GOAT. Sitare Zameen Par is gonna be GOAT.
Top tier solid.
Going by the trailer, I think it's going to be solid. Yeah.
Yeah, top tier solid.
I think it's going to be mid-tier solid.
अगर दर्शील सवारी का कैमियो हुआ तो गोट.
I think it's going to be mid-tier solid.
It's
Mid tier solid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's going to be...
No one for मैं और
No.
बकवास तो
लग
नहीं
तो
लग रही है.
नहीं लग
बकवास तो
रही,
नहीं
लग
लग रही.
हाँ.
मैं भी नहीं ही होगी.
Now they really have to
क्या
drop the
पता
ball.
है.
I think yeah,
Yeah.
the thing is कि अगर if he again doubles down and like sticks to that fucking मैं तो ये करा ही नहीं, मैं तो ये अरे तो है ही नहीं, और पागल नहीं बोल सकते, अब इसको ये नहीं कर सकते. अगर ये किया उसने पूरा पिक्चर में,
तो फिर तो रॉकी रानी के प्रेम कहानी होती
फिर उसके बाद अपन नहीं हो पाएगा. हाँ.
So how many do we have for Bakwas?
बकवास is only 2, man. That's
Which
it.
are?
Dhoom 3
Thugs
and
of Hindustan
Thugs.
and Dhoom 3.
How many do you have for मैं?
मैं is 1, 2, 3 again. Mangal Pandey, Lal Singh and Fana.
Wow, did we just put Mangal Pandey and Lal Singh in the same
Yeah.
bracket?
Wait,
Wow.
मैं तो मैं bro, हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
Solid.
Solid is quite a few. 3 Idiots, which should have been in GOAT. 3 Idiots, Talash, PK, Dangal, Gajni. Oh, and Sitare Zameen Par is our prediction.
Potential, yeah.
Yeah, solid. But
And
then
goats.
so there were 5 in
In solid.
in solid.
Okay. And
And goats, there are 2.
Hmm.
Rang De and Tare.
Which should have been 3, है ना?
Should have been. Should have been 3 Idiots.
Well, such is life. Everything doesn't go according to plan. But
Yeah, life sucks.
if you like us, if you like this,
If you like us, please tell us that you like us. We are
Like
very
us,
lonely
yes.
guys.
That would
That's
help.
true.
Yes, that would help.
please
yes.
do that.
Yes.
And if you liked this list of tier listing the filmography of an actor, tell us who else we can do that. But also, if you like this, we'll do the previous Amir films also. If you like us, to
Dude,
do
and
that.
we'll do all. We'll do. Tell us the actor. We'll do all.
Shah
the
Rukh,
films.
हम
Amir.
सब कर लेंगे यार. हम सब
तुम
कर
बस
सकते हैं.
बोलो यार हुकुम.
तुम बस बोलो यार.
हुकुम.
Bro, think like Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, like कितनी होंगी यार? उन तो कब से फिल्में कर रहे हैं?
भाई फिर नहीं लेंगे ना उनको.
अमिताभ बच्चन तो like.
फिर भाई वो 10-10 साल करके लेना पड़ेगा. फिर.
Oh,
अक्षय के तो 2 ही
you
नहीं
know
कर
what we
पाएंगे.
should do, bro? We should totally do 70s Amitabh Bachchan.
Bro.
Tier
Oh,
list.
great.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's
it'll
it.
be like goat में क्या डालें?
Goat,
solid
goat,
में
goat,
क्या
goat,
डालें?
goat, goat.
Bye,
Fuck, bro,
bye.
yes.
Great.
But yeah, any parting word, guys? Anything you wanna plug? Anything you wanna say?
Subscribe कर लो यार.
Oh,
please.
tell us what you thought. Did we already ask them? What
Yes,
you thought
we
about
did.
this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
But you can also.
Yeah. Please tell us
तुम
your
अपना लिस्ट
list.
बनाओ, comments में बताओ, and do subscribe to the channel, please.
Man, I okay. Now that we're ending this episode anyway. Okay. So I hope that people don't agree with us in all these, because I feel like now that looking back at it, अब सबको रंग दे something, you know, upper
I'm
tier में
sure-
डालना ही
I'm
पड़ेगा.
sure
GOAT में
people
डालना ही
will
पड़ेगा.
be-
Have you ever read our comment
भाई
section?
हमसे
There is no-
Also, yes, that's
90% कोई agree नहीं करता.
That's
हमारे
true.
opinion
That's true.
से.
Imagine this is the episode like नहीं, Thugs of Hindustan is amazing.
Fana was a goat. कोई तो लिखेगा.
Yeah, correct.
Ah.
Yeah.
Anything you wanna plug, Snehal?
Yeah, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Also,
Yes.
again, if you know someone who likes this, like ऐसा कुछ content, Bollywood से related content, film से related content, please share these videos with that person. Ask them to subscribe, spread the word. We are in dire need of views and subscribers.
Also, if you are enjoying all the content that we've been putting out and
Yes.
a regular viewer and would like to get this content
Yes.
more on regular, it would mean the world if you would consider joining our membership, which would, help us just be more consistent
and
and.
afloat, basically.
Yes.
ठीक है, I mean, 50,000 of you would have to buy memberships, but so please help.
नहीं, but like it is very sweet when people like drop messages and
Yeah.
they're like कि 2 हफ्ते हो गए episode किधर है, episode क्यों नहीं किया, like all of that. So that's all very sweet. So मतलब
Speaking of afloat, can I plug my work thing? over
Oh
here?
yeah,
Yeah,
please
absolutely.
do.
So I've started
You are
doing.
finally employed.
Yes, I'm finally employed. I do this new thing called the TCS podcast. The TCS stands for the comment section. So search for the comment section. उस पे शायद आपको नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि अभी बहुत नया चैनल है. तो आप द कमेंट सेक्शन अनु कपूर या द कमेंट सेक्शन तिग्मांशु धूलिया अगर आप सर्च करेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा. So-
Anu Kapoor और तिग्मांशु धूलिया.
because they have been on
वाह, वाह.
guest. I have not done those episodes,
okay.
but
I was like, अभी एक हफ्ता नहीं हुआ लौंडे का हो रहा है.
I've spoken to the cast of the new Amazon Prime show Gram Chikitsalay, so you can check that out. Amol Parashar's interview should be out right now, so please go subscribe to that channel, and thank you so much for watching this episode of.
Please follow
of
all my other shows.
Conversation.
Okay, just fine. I forgot only how to plug these things.
मेरे
That will be
और
your show.
317 shows भी तो है.
That Filmy Game Show, Tis, Pender Bender, Crickheads, you know. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next week. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye. Stay safe.